Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials.
Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to create abstract liquid marble texture background in Adobe Photoshop. Double click on Set Foreground Color R0, G223, B248. Go to Filter menu and Render and Fibers. Variance 9. Strength 64. Double click for Convert background layer to layer. Select layer and right click and duplicate layers. Go to image menu and adjustments and hue and saturation. Shortcut Ctrl U. Hue plus 22. Transform. Shortcut Ctrl T. Right click and flip horizontal. Select layer and apply multiplying blending mode. Select both layers and right click and merge layers. Go to filter menu and liquify. Shortcut Shift Ctrl X. Brush size 400. Brush pressure 100. Press over the shape for liquid effect texture. Finally, your abstract liquid fluid marble texture background is now ready. Please follow steps and it's easy way to create liquid fluid marble texture background design in Adobe Photoshop.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.